In this video, we are going to talk about the drug quetiapine. So let's get started. First, we'll see what is quetiapine. Quetiapine is a second generation antipsychotic drug. Clinically, it is used in bipolar disorder and it is also used in positive and negative symptoms of schizophrenia. So there are some points that you must memorize about quetiapine. First is its mechanism of action. Quetiapine is a competitive antagonist of dopamine D2 and 5-HT2A receptors in the mesolimbic mesocortical pathways. It also has antagonistic effect on H1 receptors. The pharmacokinetics. Quetiapine is given via oral route. It is metabolized mainly in the liver. It is highly metabolized. Quetiapine has a short half-life. It's 6 hours. The adverse effects includes a weight gain, hyperprolactinemia, sedation, and in some cases, rarely it may cause neuroleptic malignant syndrome. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.